That's perfect. Good work.
Oh, this is wonderful.
We are at the Broomfield CSU Extension office grand opening.
Yeah, that's what these seeds will grow into.
So we've got some resource sharing and activities going on to just let people know what extension offices do in general and what we do here in Broomfield.
This is called the Mexican hat. It's a perennial. It likes full sun, so it's going to be good for my west-facing backyard. Seed collection done. Thank you, CSU.
Make your own native seed mix is something we're doing to promote planting native plants. And we want to plant native plants because native plants support native pollinators, so they're really important. Vote here using a Broomfield sticker. If you could add one extension program that we don't currently have to the Broomfield program in the future, what would it be? And we also brought the tower garden. So it has a big reservoir with water and nutrients, and it pumps those water and nutrients straight up the tower, and then it kind of cascades down and washes over the plant roots.
With CSU, the concept of lifelong learning is really important to us. It's really core of who we are. You know, this is really an incredible opportunity and partnership with the county and the city of Broomfield for CSU and for CSU Extension. We have so many people that come through here. We have families, people that are coming here to learn. It's fantastic to be a part of this.
It identifies a key partnership with providing educational opportunities to all ages. And with the Master Gardener program and the Bee program, it also solidifies Broomfield's commitment to a sustainable environment.
CSU Extension is basically the local and outreach arm of Colorado State University. Our main program area is horticulture. We have a big Ask a Master Gardener and kind of horticulture help station here. That's one of our main daily services to the public.
Our function is education, so we offer the people of Broomfield a chance to come in, bring in actually a plant that they might not know what it is, ask questions on how to better grow their crops, how to grow trees. I'm thrilled to be a Broomfield Master Gardener. I've always loved gardening. Colorado State University professors trained us. We had to take tests, and we have continuing education. We have demonstration gardens here in Broomfield that we share, and now we have this wonderful office.
I like working with volunteers. I think that it's usually a great group of people because they're doing something that they care about and they're giving their time. So it's a special kind of person that does that.
Broomfield is such a unique community. Providing opportunities for people to give back is the key to inclusivity and a community that thrives. We embrace everyone here and welcome everyone and offer something to help improve the lives of everyone that lives here.
Broomfield Extension has our own website, which is broomfield.extension.colostate.edu. Thank you.